And in some news breaking this minute, the Supreme Court issues notice on a plea seeking protection of Kashmiris. Now, the Chief Justice of India has directed nodal officers to ensure safety and protection of Kashmiris and other minorities. Remember this in the wake of the recent Pulwama attack. The Supreme Court has also directed the Chief Secretaries and the DGPs of all the states, union territories and Delhi to take strong necessary action to prevent incidents of threat, assault and boycott against Kashmiri and Kashmiri students in the wake of the February 14th Pulwama terror attack. Now, the Supreme Court admits the PIL seeking attack against Kashmiris. The issue notice on Centre and 11 states seeking their response on the same. Our Deputy News Editor Meenakshi Bhanja on the phone line. Meenakshi, help us understand what are the different directions that have been issued by the Supreme Court in the wake of the Pulwama attack and how Kashmiri students across the country were targeted.
Well, Apurva, this is the first hearing that the PIL had today witnessed, and we have seen the indication yesterday from the Honorable Chief Justice of India that he has put the matter for hearing today. It was taken up, and like you referred to, the petition has been formally admitted by the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has issued notices to the central government and 11 state governments, which includes states like Haryana, Rajasthan, other states from where attacks were reported, and the Supreme Court has directed nodal officers to ensure safety and protection of Kashmiris and other minorities in the wake of Pulwama attacks. Now, the Supreme Court has also directed for the central government to publicize the existence of these nodal officers who were appointed on an earlier occasion as per the suggestion of the central government pertaining to mob-related violences, our viewers will recall. And additionally, the Supreme Court has directed the Chief Secretaries and the DGPs of all the states and union territories, including Delhi, to take strong and necessary action to prevent incidents of threat, assault or boycott against Kashmiris that we have seen spike up in certain areas. So clearly this is something which falls within the ambit of mob-related violences, and the court is cracking the whip on this one.
All right. Also, Meenakshi, help us understand, does the PIL also in a way reflect on several messages and very insightful messages that have been posted on social media as well against Kashmiris, asking people to boycott the Kashmiri goods as well? Does it really reflect on this as well?
Well, yes, Apurva, all sorts of threat, assault, intimidation, violence against anybody who is a citizen of India has been cited by senior advocate Colin Gonzalez on this one. And states like Maharashtra, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jammu and Kashmir, Haryana, Meghalaya, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, Uttarakhand are the 11 states from who have been directed to respond to the Supreme Court's notices. So clearly, this is something where the union government has also spoken. We have seen the statements from Rajnath Singh where he has said that this kind of conduct will not be tolerated. And now, with the Supreme Court's intervention, it will come within the judicial scrutiny aspect also, and the top court will be keeping a watch on this one because for sure there will be another date of hearing, because today was the first time that the PIL was considered by the top court, and the Supreme Court has formally admitted this petition along with this particular direction to the DGPs, to the top cops of all these states, and also with instruction to the Government of India to publicize the existence of these nodal officers which were appointed as per the earlier directions of the Supreme Court pertaining to lynching cases. So subsequent to that, these nodal officers had been appointed, and their existence now needs to be widely publicized for the government so that people can reach out to them in times of crises.
All right, we'll have to leave it there, Meenakshi. Appreciate you joining us and getting us those details.